Hi, this is Scott. I'm out here walking the dogs. Say hi, Thor. Say hi, Polly. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about you're hearing a lot of problems in the United States these days. And you've got to realize that those problems are, I don't know, how do you say they're not real? You hear them from every place that you see, but realize that 50% of the people in the United States agree and 50% don't. Well, the 50% that agree with all the problems they have the voice of the media. And they're the ones that if there's a killing or if there's a problem, it's coming from that side. Of course, that means I'm from the other side. So just be aware of that. Be aware that everything that you see on the news, well, that's all, it's all controlled by the people that run the newspaper or the people that run the radio or TV or wherever you see it. They decide what's going to be on the news. We don't have any more non-biased news. Just realize that there are a lot of problems in the United States, but they're not as big as they seem. And if all you do is hear from people that are complaining about problems in the United States, well, they need to look at where the problems are coming from. I don't like talking about politics, but sometimes I don't know, sometimes I just want to say something. Oh, another dog. That means we have to cross the street quick. Sorry. Come on, Thor. Come on, Polly. Let's go. Thor, cross the street. So, the other thing I wanted to talk about was, do you know who Martin Luther King was? Martin Luther King was a black activist that from the 1960s, he was killed in 1968. He was assassinated, he was murdered. He once said that his dream is that his children are treated just the same as everybody else. And what upsets me now is a lot of activists, their dream is that their people are treated better than everybody else. A lot of black activists are now, if you remember when Black Lives Matter was around, well, they said, well, black people should get benefits that white people don't get. We have a person that works for us that happens to be gay, and he thinks he should be getting paid more because he thinks that we're treating him differently because he's gay. No, we're treating him the same as if he wasn't gay. We don't care. It's kind of funny when the Asian people, they work hard and they study hard, and so all the other minorities don't like them because they're not treated like a minority. So I apologize about going off course and talking about things I personally feel about, but I hope that's okay. Well, we're almost done. It's a beautiful day in October, and it's not too cold, but the leaves are starting to change color, and it's beautiful out here. Okay, I hope you're doing good. Bye-bye.